Hi everyone, welcome back to Embedded Board. In today's videos, we are going to learn how to count the occurrence of a given element in an array using the C program. Let's first understand the question. Imagine you have an array of number and you want to know how many times a specific number appears in that array. For example, I will take an example of array 5 and the elements are 10, 1, 2, 1, 1. Now you want to count 1 how many times it appears in an array. So your answer will be 3. Now let's go to the coding part and look how we can code it to find the occurrence of a given element. So let's get started. So in coding part, first I will declare an array of type int array, and the int size of the array is 5, and the element I am going to take input from the user, and another number which going to hold the array element which we have to found the occurrence in an array. So I'm giving the name of the element is num, and a counter. We have also required a counter to count how many times a specific numbers occur in an array. So three variables I have declared. First one is array of int type num and counter. You can declare after the num. So I'm doing there comma, and starting with a 0, counter start with a 0, and we can remove this. Now comes to the main function. First we will give the printf function. Printf enter the value of array, and the next line we are going to use a scanf function %d. In next line we will run a for loop to take input from the user. So int I starting with 0 and goes to the size of the array which is 5 and I plus plus. In the for loop we are going to use a scanf function to take input from the user array I. We will save all the inputs in an array. In the next line, then we are going to ask the user which element he wants to count, how many times it occurs in an array. So let's give another printf statement. Printf enter the number wants to count. Now using scanf function %d, and we take the input and save in num variable. Now we have taken the input from the user array and the variable and the variable he wants to find out how many times it occurs. Now we are going to use a for loop to make a traversing of all the array element one by one and make a counter plus if we found the same number or same element in an array. So for int I starting with 0 and goes to the size of array which is 5 and I plus plus. In comparison, I am using a if condition. So if array I is equals to num, if this condition makes true, then what we are going to use? We going to every time when we find a match, we will increase the counter by 1. So counter plus plus. As the for loop execute completely, then the next line we are going to printf the occurrence of the occurrence of number %z, and I'm going to print that which value we have saved in the counter variable. Now we have completely write the code to find out the occurrence of a given element in an array. Now finally we will run the code and see the outputs. So it completely compile. I will enter the example which we have taken. So first element is 10, 1, 1, 2, 1. Now it asking enter the number wants to count. I am entering 1. So you can see the occurrence of the number is 3. 3 times it occurs in the element. So our answer is correct, and which we have taken the example. And theoretically we have also calculated the times of 1 is coming in the array. So it matches our both the answer. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.